Today we are at the shop and I'm gonna show you a 1957 rebuild that we're doing. This was a blue car and we're changing it black, and it's going to be a lowrider. That is what the customer wanted. We're actually doing a full rebuild, redoing the whole car. We had to do welds in this car, make sure that was all stable, because before it was just not done correctly. So we had to redo everything in this car. Right now I'm sitting on primer. It's going to be sitting in primer for about a week so the primer can set correctly, and so when we actually spray it black, it just has that gloss finish and it just looks like a reflection, which, you know, on black cars, on a classic, is very hard to do. But here we can definitely do it properly and it's gonna look amazing with no waves. You don't ever want waves on your classic. You want that straight. Now we did the mothership. We actually painted the mothership, so I'm actually going to feature that in the channel later on. So you definitely need to subscribe and hit that bell button so you do not miss the mothership and seeing that car in this channel, because we actually did do the repaint on that car. So I'll show you the reflection on that car when I actually do it and feature it on this channel, so you guys are gonna definitely love that. But we're definitely redoing all this car, and when we actually redo this car and change into a lowrider, can't wait to show you guys the finished product. It's gonna be about a 2-month custom project, because after we're done, it's gonna be taken off the frame, sent to go get powder coated, get the hydraulics done, get the engine put back in. Actually, they're going to be changing all that engine work, bring it back to us, and then actually that's when we're going to restart the painting process, because we like to paint and put everything back together so there's no gaps. We don't want no gaps. We leave a little bit of gaps because of that hydraulics so it just doesn't hit, but it's not going to be nothing crazy where you have big gaps in that. Right now everything looks so good and all the gaps are perfect right now, but of course once everything starts taking apart and getting re-put back in, that's where everything comes back together. Now, once we start getting it back together, we're going to start getting it prepped for paint and prep for the next stage. So I expect this car to be done, I will say, by next month. So definitely stay tuned on this channel, because you don't want to miss this car when it gets fully done. And I'm definitely gonna do series on this car in different stages, so you guys can see this whole build on this car from straight original to a lowrider, and the custom work that's gonna be done on this car is gonna be amazing. So don't miss out, guys.